How much time do you spend on process documentation, accurately capturing process steps and business rules? Then you're familiar with the tedious but important task of manual process documentation. It is time-consuming. Crucial steps are often overlooked, and insufficient information hurts the quality of the final documentation. What if there was a better way? Introducing Muse. It's the fastest and most cost-effective way to generate step-by-step instructions, onboarding guides, and user manuals. The software automatically captures all user interactions with any application, including clicks, keystrokes, reading, and user decisions. Describe and edit the actions afterwards. Export your process documentation to easy-to-read file formats. The output is an easy-to-understand manual where every step is visually shown, important parts are highlighted, and user actions are described in detail. It's a model of your entire workflow, ready for process rationalization and optimization. It can also be imported into process automation software, giving you a leap forward into automation. The revolution in process documentation. Try it now for free.